How to make money prompts in using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting, whether you are looking to create complex content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows. Well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all, the first steps, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. We have here give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a patch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I am going to be using the images as t-shirts design. So we have here various things. Don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course ChatGPT is going to provide us with these prompts that I have that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. As you can see, we have the first one here: surreal, nature, sand, abstract, geometric shapes, vintage, retro wave, space exploration, tribal and cultural vision. Then we have here animal kingdom mashup. Then we have here floral and skill fusions. We have here minimalist line art, fantasy warrior. Then we have psychedelic fractal patterns. So all you have to do right now is just copy one of this. So as you can see, then you paste it on Runaway. So what is Runwell? So this is the homepage, and then I will explain you all of that. But before, firstly, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo.ea. I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this, and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So first of all, before get started and write your email and your code, all you have to do is just read this information to more understand about this websites. Like here we have for creators, for teams and for developers. You can just read the one you want. Then we have here is Leonardo today for inspiration and other information here. You can just read it to more understand. Then also we have other things like contact for developers, for teams, resources, solutions, features, and other things. So if you link with your email address, you will find this homepage. So we'll click over image creation here, and then you paste what you already copied on ChatGPT. So this is it. So we have here in settings, you can just select here preset prompt in is like automatic on or off. Also preset style here throughout the render, proc, cinematic concepts, and creative, dynamic, fashion, graphic design, pop art, graphic design, picture, HDR, illustration, macro, minimalist, moody, no one, portrait, ray traced, sketch here in color, and here we have B&W, and we have here stock photo, vibrant, and other things. Then we have here contrast, high, low, medium. You can choose the one you want. Then we have generation mode, you can choose fast, quality. Then we have image dimensions. Then we have here small or medium, large. Then we have number of images, 1 2 3 4. The max is 8. Then we have private mode, you can just switch on if you want. Then we have advanced settings, a photo real. We have negative prompts, transparency, talent, use fixed seed. Then you click over generate. So we have got these credits alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 74 of this credit. and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my thing, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see, it's bad with words, because if you click over this one, it's very bad with words. So let's wait for it, and I will give you some advice. So don't try to write something on the screen with AI image generators, right? Just don't bath like this. I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirts designs. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mags, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just draw over those to teachers t-shirt, to mag, to cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come and we make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runway. Now, what is Runway and why Runway? Runway can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click over get started and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for reinvesting. So let's come back. To make money using ChatGPT job prompts, start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks, such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.